And today I have an opportunity to do my sun salutations 13,000 feet above sea level, the highest Shiva temple in the world. Gratitude to the energy that chooses to flow through us today. Surya Namaskar is a holistic practice, body, breath, mind in a single workout. As we experience the balance, the infinite flow happens through us. We've been practicing Surya Namaskars 108 every single day for the past 3 years. Whatever questions you have about Surya Namaskars, we can help you understand and make this practice a part of your daily routine.